If equipped, the automatic temperature control system can automatically maintain the comfort levels set by the driver and passenger. The system automatically adjusts temperature, mode, and fan speed so you can enjoy a comfortable, consistent climate even under changing conditions. Just press the auto control on the touchscreen. Then, select the temperature using the up and down arrows, or by sliding up and down the scale. The system will then maintain your settings automatically. To sync the passenger and driver side temperatures, press the sync control. For maximum efficiency, just let the system work automatically. To turn the auto system off, press the auto control again, or adjust the fan speed or mode controls. You can also operate the system using the controls below the touchscreen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.